Hello everyone, welcome to Automatic Posting Software channel. Today I will show you about how to increase engagement on YouTube very easy. For example, if you want to increase engagement on this video, you need to copy the video's link. And then, open the software, go to Seeding function and choose Seeding Video. After that, set up a few basic settings. We can support you to set this, so don't worry if you don't know how to set it and enter the video's link into software. Next step, choose Interact you want to increase. You can like video, subscribe channel, and comment on video. Comment content you can write according to the content you want. Finally, choose account you use to increase engagement and click Start. Software will auto go to your video and interact into it. Very easy, right? This software helps you save time and effort in viral marketing on YouTube. If you're interested, contact me via Telegram or WhatsApp I leave on the video. Thank you and see you in next videos.